Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can sign up for AliExpress affiliate program. Now the first thing you need to do guys is to log in into your AliExpress account, and after that you wanna scroll down at the very bottom. Now you just wanna keep scrolling at the very bottom in the collaborate with us section. As you can see, collaborate with us, you can see here three different options: partnerships and affiliate program and this center. Now you want to click on affiliate program. After that guys, it will take you directly to this page. So what you need to do guys to sign up for AliExpress affiliate program, first you want to read this. As you can see, it says here up to 99% basic commission rate, and as you can see, it says here 200 plus supported countries and regions, 150 million affiliate products. So that means you can really promote a lot of products on AliExpress. Now as you can see, it says here boost your income in earn commission by bringing orders to AliExpress with just a few minutes of daily work. So a lot of people promote these products on YouTube or Facebook or it depends what platform you are comfortable with. So anyway, let's talk about this later. So the first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on start earning. So after you click on start earning, it will take you directly to this page. Now you want to enter here your email address, which I am going to do that right now. So this is my email address, and it says here email verification code. So you want to click on send. After you type the verification code, you wanna enter the code here. So you wanna go to your email, open the email, and you will see the code there. So as you can see, this is the code. It's 051972. So you wanna go back and you wanna enter the code there. So you wanna scroll down a little bit and you wanna add here the phone number. So let me do that right now. So as you can see, it asks me guys for phone number. That's what I'm going to do right now, so that I can sign up for AliExpress affiliate program. So that's the requirement guys, you need a phone number. And after that guys, as you can see, it says here social media platform. So you want to go with which platform do you use the most. So if you use, for example, Facebook, you want to select Facebook, and it will ask you guys for social media account ID. As you can see, provided the account ID, we can find you on social media platform. You select, for example, our official Facebook ID is AliExpress. Now what you need guys, you want to go to your own Facebook account or whatever platform you chose here. So it depends, like I said, you can choose which one you want, and then you need to go to your Facebook and you need to copy the ID. So I'm going to do that right now. So as you can see here guys, it says here how did you hear about us. So for example, this doesn't matter, you can choose whatever you want for example others. And it says here, do you want to subscribe to the channel portal's newsletter? It depends. Like for example, I'm just going to go with yes, subscribe. I confirm and that I have read the AliExpress privacy policy and affiliate program service agreement in their entirety and agree to the abide by them. So you wanna check this and you wanna click on next. It will take you again to this page. So what you need to do guys after you are on this page is you need to enter here the site name. So but you have to select here non-network, but if you have a network you can select it. So most of the people that are going to watch this video, they don't have a network, just like me. I only have like a YouTube channel, and yeah, that's it. So the channel type here, it says here channel type. So you want to add something that is related to where you are going to promote this, these affiliates, these AliExpress affiliate products. You want to just add something here, for example social, content, shopping, drop shipping, email. You can just choose. So for example, if you are choosing, for example, social, for example, you want to select influencers and you want to go, for example, with YouTube or TikTok. So if you have a TikTok account, select TikTok. If you have YouTube, select YouTube. It doesn't matter. All these things don't really matter that much. See, you just wanna select the account that you have, because it will ask you guys to add the link, okay, the URL. It will ask you guys to add that. So if you select YouTube, you want to click on where it says site name. You want to add here your name on that account. So for example, if you have TikTok, you want to add the name of your TikTok. It doesn't matter if it's not correct. The site URL is the link that you need to paste here, which is the link of your YouTube channel or TikTok account. Okay, so for example, I have a YouTube channel. I'm just going to link I'm going to link this YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to try pasting this link. So as you can see, all you need to do, guys, you want to add here, you want to go to your YouTube channel and you want to get the link, okay, or TikTok. It's www.youtube.com/arrobas your channel name, and then copy the URL. Okay, this is the URL, so don't copy https. Okay, so I hope I pronounced it correctly. So you want to go to AliExpress and you want to paste that URL here. So the category is like, for example, just need to find like any category that you like, or what you post on your TikToks, or it doesn't matter if you have like content on your TikTok or YouTube. You just need to add the URL of your YouTube channel. So for example, lights and lighting, even if you have 0 videos, it doesn't really matter. And here, traffic source area. So you want to choose what countries that are going to see your affiliate links. So for example, I want to target United States, because most of you people from United States, they are likely going to buy the products compared to other countries. So I'm just going to find here United States. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, traffic source. I'm going to find here United States. Okay, United States. Seems like I can't find it here. Yeah, this is it, as you can see. Okay, United States, and here the description doesn't matter. You just need to add something like, I would like to make reviews on my channel about AliExpress products. And then you want to scroll down a little bit and you just confirm that it's your primary promotion channel. Okay, just need to confirm that. And here, as you can see, promotional attribute, you just need to non-network. Again, you want to choose here social influencers. So for example, choose again YouTube, or you just need to choose that, and you need to do the same thing. I think there is an option here to delete the second. Will be clear, delete all this, just leave one. Okay, don't even click on add site. You just need to delete the last options. Click submit. As you can see, it says here create your AliExpress affiliate account, and it says here your registration is in the review. The review may take about 1 day to 3 business days, and the review result will be sent to your registered email address. Please wait. So all you have to do, guys, is just want to wait. Like most of the time it takes only 1 day, so you just need to wait 1 day and you will receive an email. But most of the time you will receive it in 3 hours maximum. You will receive it in 3 hours. It happened to me multiple times. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If you want to learn how you can get the link and how you can promote and stuff, like, click the video in the screen and you will be able to do that. So drop a like and see you guys in the next video.